If you're starting to think FDM printers have hit the ceiling, think again. Anycubic is making some pretty bold moves. I'm Brian DeLuca, and this is Maker Build It, where we turn ideas into projects. So if you're not following, now may be the perfect time to follow. So we visited Anycubic, and they showed us their new line of printers. They're talking bigger build volumes, faster speeds, new multicolor systems, and some design changes that make for real-world 3D printing. So let's check out Anycubic's newest FDM printers.
I'm Brian DeLuca, and I'm here at Rapid TCT at the Anycubic booth with Arrow, and he's going to show us some of the new printers in the FDM space from Anycubic.
Hey, hi, I'm Arrow. So right now I'm going to introduce the first printer here. This one is S1 Max Combo. The combo means with AC2 Pro. So the whole combo is our new printer. It's the largest FDM Kobra X printer we have.
Okay.
So you can see the size is big. So the printer value is 350 by 350 by 350 millimeters. And also we have a lot of hardware for engineering filaments. For example, we have 350 degree hot end, we have 120 degree hot bed, and the 65 active chamber heater, which is quite important for the engineering filaments. So you can see right now we are printing a huge benchy.
Okay.
Yeah. And also this is our new box. So we have first generation AC Pro. So this is the second generation. We update the motor. So right now this one have 4 individual brushless motor.
Okay.
And we also update the driving function. We have 65 driving temperature right now, and also we support humidify and temperature control.
Oh, it has humidification in it?
Yes.
Okay, that's pretty cool.
Yeah, like so. Here is
Now,
our.
what's the print speed on this?
I will say the recommended speed is 300 millimeters per second.
Okay.
The higher speed is 600 millimeters per second.
Okay, so it go pretty fast if you needed to.
Yeah.
Okay, and you said you had some other new printers you want to show
Yes.
us.
So here, so this one is our most popular 3D printer right now. This is Kobra X. So as you can see, this one is come with 4 colors, even you don't buy the AC2 Pro. So this is our innovation. This print head is totally different compared to the market,
Right.
the other products. So we have 2 innovations. The first thing is about extruder. So as you can see, all the filaments stay inside the extruder. They don't need to go outside to change colors.
Okay.
So for example, if you switch colors from 1 to 2, they only stay in here like very short distance to switch, which means can help you to save time when you switch
So
colors.
it's really fast because you're not bringing that filament all the way down and bringing it down.
Yeah.
It's actually nice too. You don't need the extra materials handling.
Yeah, and also the second innovation is about this nozzle. Our nozzle is quite short. I think it's only like this short, which means when you switching colors, you don't have to wash so many filaments. You don't have so many rest. As you can see, the rest is quite good. Yeah, and right now this printer is doing 4 colors multicolor printing. This is the models.
Now, what materials can this one handle?
Most of the PLA, TTG, TPU, and then maybe ABS and ASA, but it's based on the temperature, the room temperature.
Yeah.
And also this one can do multi-filament mixed. For example, you can do PLA with TPU.
Okay, gotcha. Okay.
So this one right now, I think the retail price is 329. So it's very popular. It's the most popular printer here. And
And it also saves you the space of having to have an AMS with it.
Sorry?
You know? It saves space. We're not having to have the AMS.
Yeah. And also, if you want AMS, if you want to drive in filament, you also can buy the one. And this one can support up to 19 colors.
Oh, wow. So you can add the AMSs to each one of these. Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Okay. So if you want that.
Yes.
Okay.
And so here is our new FDM intro-level printer. This one called Kobra 4. So it's our updated version compared to the Kobra 3.
Okay.
As you can see, this one, actually the one difference compared to the Kobra X is the print head. So this print head is a traditional print head. So this one, if you do multicolor printing, this one is like a similar speed as traditional multicolor printing.
Right.
So why we have this one compared to a Kobra X? Because the performance in the single color printing, this one and this one is quite close.
Okay.
But the price is super low. This one for the printer itself is 239.
Okay.
But if you buy the combo, I think it's around 329.
Okay.
Yeah.
I could Well, Arrow, thank you for your time today. It was a pleasure.
Thank you.
So Anycubic is trying to address some of the problems that are the biggest pain points for people that are 3D printing. From faster multicolored printing, which has less filament waste, to much bigger build volumes. There's a lot here that Anycubic is doing that can address how you're approaching your next 3D print. For more on 3D printing, DIY, or maker projects, make sure you like and follow Maker Build It, and remember, keep on making. Oh, and remember, the biggest upgrades in 3D printing aren't always the flashiest. They're the ones that quietly fix the problems we've all learned to live with.